Hello friends, welcome to the session. In last session, we learned about inline styling in React, and in this session, we will learn about how to import CSS files and how to do styling from CSS file. So for that, inside this component, let's make a file called counter, or let's make it style.css, and this style.css we can directly import in component. So to import that, we will directly write import dot slash style.css, and this will import css for us. And now whatever css we will use here will be affected to this component. So for that, let's remove all this and let's make a class name here. We cannot write class, I have already told that in previous lesson. So class name we can write counter dash text. So now we can target this class name counter text in style. So we will write dot counter dash text, and here we will write background hashtag 000 and padding 20 pixels and color hashtag FFF, and we will give border radius of 6 pixels. So this should be pretty good styling over here. So we are getting border radius as well, but we are not getting it inline block. So to do that, we will do display inline block, and then our count is pretty cool right now. We have used style not from inline style but from style file itself. So this look neat and clean, but what is the limitation is that if you want to set the styling based on certain condition from here, then that is not possible. See, since the style file won't receive the condition state in it. So to do that, we need to either use inline styling or use dynamic class names. So one more thing to remember is that this counter text CSS class is not only limited to this counter, but inside the app.js, if I make another div with class name is equal to count counter text, the same class name that we use inside, right? So here if I write 500 and if I saved, and whenever I open, see I am getting the 500 in the same style, but I have not imported that style file in this component, but also I am getting the same style, because whenever we import the CSS file in any of the component, that will be imported for globally all component will be able to use that CSS. So you need to be a bit conscious about what selector tag you are giving to which component, and what styling should not be mixed with which component. You need to be a bit conscious for that. So that's all about importing CSS file and styling from the file, and in next lesson we will learn about how to make the class dynamic and how to handle the styling based on dynamicness, based on certain condition, not from inline style but dynamic classes. So thank you for watching.